Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So this is the project that I was talking about. I got this PVC pipe which I cut it into half and made it look like a rain gutter. So this is what we will be working on. Now it already has drain holes. I have made a couple of drain holes on this because obviously we need drain holes for anything that we keep our succulents in. A lot of work is left because you can see the amount of soil that I'm going to be needing for this. Now the ends of these are open, so that's the first thing what we have to do is we have to close the ends. So we will have to work with something on that. I'm thinking of probably covering it up with a papercrete pulp and then putting some cement and making a blockage on both the ends. So this is what it's going to look like. It is a material made out of PVC, the pipes that we usually have. It's usually used for something called as a rain gutter. So initial plan was to make it into a hanging thing, but unfortunately in this place I cannot hang it because of the rains and because of the strong wind. This is going to keep swinging from one end to the other, so I do not want to hang it. So this is going to be it's a permanent place. It receives a good amount of morning dry sunlight for 5 to 6 hours, but it also gets a little bit of afternoon sunlight. So I have to be a little wise with choosing the type of succulents that I'm going to be adding in this place. So a lot of sedums, a lot of sedivarias, and few of echuarias that can handle a little bit of more direct sunlight. So that is what I'm going to be adding in over here. So if you remember, it was open from one end. I've gone ahead and used papercrete and then covered it with cement, as you can see over here. So I covered the brackets with the cement so that the soil does not flow up. Now the next thing what I'm going to do is on the bottom layer I'm using a lot of broken pieces. Of stones. Now these are all from my broken pots, and I have a lot of these rocks which are going to go at the bottom. There are drain holes already present, so they have already been covered. And now as you can see, before adding the soil, I'm adding these rocks. One is because it's going to help in drainage. Secondly, I wouldn't be needing a lot of soil if I'm going to use these rocks. So I'm going to completely, maybe like 1/4 of it is going to be completely filled with rocks, and then I'm going to put my potting mix over it, and we will see what happens next. I'm going to show it to you once I fill it with my succulent soil mix. So guys, this was the small little project that I was talking about. Now this was a pipe, a PVC pipe that was cut, and I had shown you the entire process. And now you can see I have added a lot of succulents in this, but definitely leaving a lot of space in between because most of them are echuarias, and you know that echuarias tend to open up completely when they start growing. So I wanted to give a good space in between each of the succulent. Right now, because the succulents have just been put into the in this arrangement, that's why they're going to look slightly I wouldn't say unhappy, but they would be slightly closed inwards, not completely open. But as and when the watering starts and once they get adjusted in this new soil, they will slowly start to open up, as you can see over here. Now these are my Graptoveria titubans, some of the pups. Now they are completely closed inwards, but very soon they will open up as and when they get adjusted in the soil. And these are all of the succulents that have been put. These are my sedum golden glow, and all of them are doing extremely well. Once when they open up completely, I will definitely show you the entire collection. And now because it is getting into their growing season, a lot of echuarias will start to open up, so I'm pretty excited about it. I can't wait for this thing to completely get filled with succulents. I have decided not to add any more of succulents. I'm just going to leave it as it is because I want them to grow without getting congested, and hence I have left a lot of space in between, probably few centimeters between each of the planting. Probably I'll add few small tiny ones, but not the larger ones. I think I'm completely done with the larger ones. I do not want to add any more mother plants in this. So this is all about it. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.